In this tutorial I will show you how to make this letter portrait design in Photoshop. Create new document. Size is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Choose gradient effect for background. Follow the process. I'm using this font and download link in description. Select Move tool. Press Ctrl or Command and click on these icons to center the letter. Click here and change text color, then add your letter. Click on text layer and choose blending options. Choose stroke and follow the settings. Choose inner shadow and follow the settings. Open second image. Select image menu. Select subject, click on mask icon. Right click and convert to smart object. Move it on to main project, press Ctrl T and adjust image size and position. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl-J. Add mask, right-click on text layer and choose Select Pixels. Go to Select and choose Inverse. Pick brush, make sure foreground color is black and follow the process. Alright, press Ctrl D to deselect, and for the final step add your text. This is the final result and thanks for watching.